Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about the Nivea sunscreen that I got and why I got this particular sunscreen. So if you know this video is something that interests you, how about you subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. So now guys, I have a sunscreen that I reviewed in my channel about 2020 or 2019. So that sunscreen is awesome. So that was when I was in Nigeria. So now I am in Europe, so I have to source for a perfect sunscreen for my skin. So now I pop into this Nivea. I've been making research on Nivea products, why I should get this particular Nivea product. So the reason why I went for this Nivea sunscreen shine control is because we are in summer. And you know, in summer you tend to sweat. Yeah, so it will not be perfect if you go for the one that is a bit greasy, that is oily, because they have different type. So I decided to go for the mattifying effect. So that is what you need to watch out when buying sunscreen. Like the first sunscreen I bought it from AliExpress, so I wasn't really particular about either mattify, either shining, or either I just went ahead to look at the SPF and I went ahead to buy it. But when the sunscreen came to me, I found that the sunscreen was so heavy on my skin. It wasn't light at all, and when you apply it on your skin you feel this whitish kind of. So that was my experience, my first time getting a sunscreen. So until, you know, sometimes you have to try and do some errors. It happens. Yeah, don't blame yourself for that. So I decided to go for this particular one, though it has 30 SPF. It doesn't matter, I'm still going to get the coverage that I want. I really don't so much expose myself to the sun. Yes, so if you're the type that you expose yourself to the sun, like you're gonna be under the sun from morning to like maybe like 6-7 hours, you might go for something like 50 SPF. But 30 to 50 SPF, you're still going to get the coverage that you want. So there's no much difference between these two. But 15 SPF, 20 SPF is definitely a no for you. So I'm only exposed to the sun like when I'm coming from class, work out for myself to keep my body fit. I may be exposed to the sun for like 10-15 minutes, so this is perfect for me. Yeah, 30 SPF, and is a mattify. It has a mattify effect. It doesn't make my skin feel greasy, and also you can wear it under your makeup. Yes, you can use it as your primer. It can work as a primer. You can, after applying your normal face cream, you can apply this sunscreen immediately after applying your normal face cream, then before you apply your foundation. So definitely this is perfect. So it gives me that mattify effect. It's normal for any skin type, so it doesn't leave my skin greasy. Yes, that is something I love about it. And it doesn't leave this whitish kind of feeling that you get when you apply some sunscreen on your skin. So it's easily dissolved. Yeah, it's easily dissolved. So after applying it on your skin, you can leave it for like a minute or two, and you find out that it's gonna blend with your skin. You can see how it blends. It's not really like shining. It's not, and I love the smell. It smells so nice. So you can use it in place of your primer. It's gonna work for you. So there are a whole bunch of Nivea sunscreen out there, and there's the other perfect sunscreen product brand out there, product line out there that you can still buy, but I love this Nivea. And when buying sunscreen, you have to make sure it protects you from the UVA and UVB. Yes, because if you don't look at it very well, some sunscreen can only protect you for UVA, and which is not complete, because your level of exposure matters a lot. So if you are exposed to the sun for 2 hours, fine, it can cover you. But if you're the type that is exposed to the sun for like 5-6 hours, you might have to go for something higher. And also You might have to like reapply every 2 or 3 hours. It all depends. Yeah, so and if you don't have the time to reapply for every 2 or 3 hours, you might have to use umbrella to protect yourself and also cover up your hands, and you can wear sunshade. I have someone asking me, does sunscreen make you dark? Yes, sometimes it may make you dark if you don't apply your normal cream. So applying sunscreen doesn't prevent you from applying your normal body cream. So you can apply your normal body cream, then let it dry before you apply your sunscreen on it. I've had a cases where a friend, what she does is she doesn't apply any body cream anytime she's going out. She just apply only a sunscreen. Well, she was tuning her skin. She has tuned her skin like up to 3 shades. So she found out that she was a shade darker, and she was complaining her skin is tanning. So sometimes it can make your skin tan. So you still apply your body cream and before you apply your sunscreen, so it still works. That is why I love the mattify shine control. So when it gets to like winter, I don't really use sunscreen during winter because definitely there is no sun. There is no sun. So basically I use this during summer. But if you're the type that like wearing sunscreen even if sun or no sun, fine, you can go for the one that has this, that's a bit greasy, that's shining, because during the winter your skin tends to dry. It happens a lot to a lot of people, so that one will be perfect for you. So this mattify effect, it's gonna make your skin more dry and you may not like it. The most important thing when choosing your sunscreen, make sure you choose a sunscreen that has a broad spectrum. Broad spectrum in the sense that some sunscreen, you may not see it in the pack like this. You will not see into the pack written broad spectrum, but you will definitely see protection against UVA and UVB. So it's written here. I don't know if you can see it. My camera, please focus. My camera is not focusing, so you see there. I'll do a picture of it and put it there so that you see it. So you always see UVA and UVB. So that is the broad spectrum that you need to watch out for when buying your sunscreen. So there are other products that I reviewed on my channel, skincare products. Yes, I'm coming up with more skincare review products. Yeah, so lately I've been having struggle with my skin, my face. So many shit happened, stress, studying, and so I'm going to share it on my channel very soon. So if you want to watch other skin products that I review in my channel that has worked for me, so you can check out my channel, because I have a lot of people from Africa that watch my skincare review products. Yeah, so now I'm going to review more and more skincare because I was taking time to check to see which one is working and which one is not working, the side effects. And yeah, so I'm always there for you to come up with that best product review that you would definitely like. And also don't forget, in this channel I also do hair product review. Yeah, I have them in my channel, so I have a playlist for it, so you can check it out. And majority of the videos I do is compilation videos. So sometimes if I don't have products to review, I just compile videos together, beautiful gorgeous styles that you would definitely like. Yes. I have different styles, salt and pepper hairstyles for the mature divas. If your hair start gray, most people their hair gray at a very early stage, so it doesn't mean you're older. It's just like some people can have eye bag, it doesn't mean they're older. Sometimes my eye bag can pop out, it doesn't mean I'm 50, it doesn't mean I'm 60, it doesn't mean I'm 40. Yeah, so it happens. Sometimes life happens, things happen, stress come, we cannot really do much about it, so we just have to keep grinding and try to find how to like make things better. Yeah, so that's why I'm here for you. So check out my playlist, and also don't forget I have a vlog channel where I talk about my life in Poland and my studying, changing careers and everything. So check out my vlog channel, and definitely you're going to see video that you will love. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.